Hello dear students, welcome in virtual classroom. Let's facilitate learning. In the earlier videos, we learned tenses. Today we are going to quickly revise all the guidelines about using articles. Probably you have heard this name before, articles, because you have studied it in your earlier standards also. The adjectives a, an, or the are called articles. There are two types of articles, indefinite articles and definite articles. A or an is called the indefinite articles because it leaves the person or thing or idea spoken of as indefinite, and the is called the definite article because it points out to a particular person, thing, or idea. Today in this video we are going to learn indefinite articles a and an. Articles are used before nouns. Articles are used especially before singular nouns. Articles are used before countable singular nouns, and indefinite articles are used before nouns beginning with consonant or vowel. Article A is used before singular common noun starting with consonant sound. There are 21 consonants: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So these are the 21 consonants. Article an is used before singular common noun starting with vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels. For example, an apple, an inkpot, an elephant, an ox, an umbrella, an egg. Then consonants beginning with a vowel sound, at that time we use an at that time. For example, an R, an honest person, an honorable man, an MA, an MBBS, an SSC, an HSC, an X. When some common nouns starts with vowel sound but pronounced as consonant, we use a before such singular common nouns. For example, a union, a university, a European, a uniform, a 1 rupee note, a useful animal. If we have adjective before singular common noun, at that time we use article a or an. For example, Mumbai is a big city. I draw a beautiful painting. He saw an enormous building. When we want to refer showing less quantity or less measurement, at that time we use article a. For example, a few. Let's see its example in a sentence. They brought a few apples. Or a little. Seema poured a little water in the glass. He saw a few goats in the village. In exclamatory sentence, before common singular nouns, we use indefinite articles. For example, what a beautiful picture it is. What a pretty girl she is. What a grand hotel it is. If we have adjective after word, so we use indefinite article a or an. For example, I have never known so hot a summer. I have never seen so lazy a boy. Or I have won so handsome a prize. If we use word such while referring countable noun, we use indefinite articles a or an at that time. For example, such a nice college, such an aeroplane, such a beautiful scenery. If we have adjective half before countable nouns, we used a or an there. For example, half a pound, half a kilometer, half a glass, half a liter, half an hour. Before some collective nouns and cardinal numbers, we use article an. For example, a lot of, a couple of, a thousand, a short while, a dozen of, a quarter, for a while, many a time, a number of, and a token of. We never use articles a or and before common nouns in plural. For example, cats, paints, boys, etc. Then we never use articles a or and before uncountable noun. For example, rice, wheat, advice, etc. Then we never use indefinite articles a or an before referring liquid or solid noun. For example, water, sugar, milk, etc. And we never use article before abstract and material noun. For example, glass, honesty, fear, good, etc. Thus, today we revise all the simple rules regarding articles a and an. In the next video, we will study information of using definite article the. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.